What's up, stylettes? It's Style Sadie S, and in this video I'm going to show you how I created this beautiful rhinestone bedazzle ostrich feather skirt. So keep watching to see how I did it. Are y'all with me, stylettes? Like, I need y'all to be here. I need y'all to be present because this was a task. I went to hell and back trying to find this skirt. Thrift stores, consignment shops, and then, bitch, I just ended up at the mall. Just lesson learned, spend the coin. Just spend the coin. And I also spent a hefty coin at Amazon getting all the beads and the feathers. It's a dimension thing. I didn't want to just put one bead, one type of rhinestone. I wanted the different levels. I needed the definition. And that's what I got. I got definition, baby. And all of these Amazon products are going to be listed below. But yeah, let's get back to the task. Bedazzling, stoning is hard. I tried the tweezers. I tried the little rainbow sticks. And then my ass had the nerve to be sitting on the floor the whole time. Like, I really made it harder on myself. But yeah, I literally walked so y'all could run. I sat so y'all could sit at a desk and do it the right way. Yeah, but I ended up finding a really good method. So keep watching to see how I did it, y'all. Okay, you guys, so I'm actually getting the hang of this. I did that much, I think, in like 2 hours, but it was because I was getting the hang of it. So I actually have all of the jewels facing, so they're flat side facing up on the actual jewel side. And I've been using this thing. That part has been in glue, and I have been like dipping it. I'm going to show you. I've been like dipping it on like a hard surface, and then like putting a little dot, and then taking this side, which has like dry glue on it, and it's easy for me to like pick it up with this. And then just placing it on the glue spot. So that's basically what I've been doing. If that makes sense, I want to show you guys, but it's coming out to be really cute. Ostrich feathers I'm gonna put on the bottom, but girl, this is tedious, but I'm actually having fun. I think it turned out really cute. I love how it's sparkling. It's really, really cute. I just have to be careful of like messy spots like this for like the little small jewels, but other than that, like, I really, really like it. I'm excited to like do the whole thing, and I'm thinking about the back. Like, should I just do the pockets on the back? I think that's how the back is going to be. Like, I'm just going to do the pockets on the back. But for now, we're going to do this side, and I'm going to... I was thinking of putting like a wavy design on there, but I really don't know. I think I'm just going to do the whole thing and just placing it right there like that. So now that I've come up with this method, I think it's not going to take me that long. All right, you guys. So this is what I have so far. This is actually 2 days later. It took me about 7 to 8 hours. So I'm going to do the same thing to this side, and I'm debating on if I want to just bedazzle the jean on the back. Just look at how this is shining and glistening. I'm just so happy with the choices that I made, with the different size yellow stones, the different size silver stones, and also the different size like gold beads. It's just such a really good outcome. It's a really good like placement that's really going on here. So I think I might bedazzle just a little bit more of this side. I think I might end up just seeing how much ostrich I'm going to end up putting right there. This is just me checking in. I will see you guys when I finish this side. I'm so excited. Hey, you guys. So I am back, and this is what I've got done today. I started recording around 10 a.m. and I've been working on it since then, and it's now like 7:43. I was about to say 7:30, but this is a real tedious task. I was making it a little bit harder on myself, but I found a better way to go at this. The method I had at the beginning of this video was, I'm not gonna lie, it was dumb as hell. Now that I figured out that I can do it this way, I'm just like, Yeah, I'm kind of mad at myself. But I mean, everything happens for a reason. I'm definitely would be doing something like this in the future. So I'm definitely going to be using this new method that I figured out. Let me show you guys real quick. Yeah, I have like my loose stones right here. Yeah, I got my loose stones right here. And this is the glue that I'm using. I'm not sure. I felt like the glue when it came out a little too fast. And I got my little pillow right here because I'm doing it on the floor. But what I do is little small dots. Little small dots with this glue. And just do about 10 to 15 dots versus one by one picking and picking. That method that I was using at the beginning was so stupid, you guys. So stupid. But hey, you live and you freaking learn. But I still have, I am using the small side of this. Still going in with my OG picker. Ooh, that's kind of like a bad symbol. But you just go ahead. It kind of helps when you let the area tack up a little bit more. While that area is tacking up a little bit more, I want to show you guys dots on the side. 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10. I guess that's, I don't know why I'm counting them. It doesn't really matter how many dots you do. You just want to start filling up the area. Now at this point, it really is just a free-for-all. Now it wants to act up. It will act up a little bit. It will start to act bad, act bad, act bad. This also, make sure this isn't wet. You just want this to be like dry glue on there. Yeah, there we go. And just start sticking it on there like that. I'm so excited to show you guys the final look. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to start working on the back. And I've actually got a nice little setup here. So I have my stones. I'm going to nicely place them how I was showing you guys before. But I actually did finish the front. So this is the front. It's so cute. And I'm going to put the ostrich. Just looking at that. That's so cute. I'm going to put the ostrich feathers on the bottom. And then I'm going to do the same thing to the back. I was just going to do the pockets, but I'm like, I tried it on and I'm like, it just doesn't make sense for me not to do the whole thing. I'm gonna do the pockets first and then see where I can go from there. It's getting me, like that's where it's just like, girl, it's just kind of not making sense trying this on and then there's no stones right there. But I don't know, I will see. I think honestly maybe I'm thinking too much into it and I just need to do the pockets and just be done with it. But I already did order more stones. Okay, you guys, so I bedazzled that pocket. I'm going to bedazzle this pocket. And I'm thinking about bedazzling the whole thing. Yeah, I think I'm going to bedazzle the whole thing. I'm still thinking about it, though. What y'all think I should do? What do y'all think I should do? I'm confused. I don't know. Let me know. Well, I guess I'll be back when the other pocket is done. All right, you guys, so I did the pockets. Just don't mind me. I need to get my hair done, but bitch, I'm beautiful. I'm so beautiful in all forms, but I think I'm gonna stop here. I think this honestly is enough. I don't think I'm gonna bedazzle the rest of the outfit. I think this is good. I honestly think this is good. I'm done bedazzling. I was just setting myself up for worry for no reason, but the ass is definitely assing. And I like that contrast of this being blank, this being bedazzled, and the pockets being bedazzled. I was like, maybe I should bedazzle that part, but I don't even think I should. I think I'm honestly done bedazzling. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the feathers on to the outfit. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the feathers onto the outfit. But it actually turned out so cute, you guys. Like, I really like it. Go ahead and zoom in. So I'll always zoom in just so you guys can see it a little bit more. I love how it fits. It fits so cute. What's up, stylists? Y'all still with me, right? So I'm gonna need y'all to tap into like one of the most important parts of the garment. Is the ostrich feathers. Should I have done the ostrich feathers? Yes, of course I should have done it. I be second guessing myself. Don't second guess yourself. If you want to do it, do it. We all make mistakes. We all fall short. With that being said, I'm dropping gems. Make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all comment. Comment what else y'all want to see from me, what projects I should do, and if y'all have any tips and tricks on applying ostrich feathers, applying jewels and beads with the glue, because I think I'm going to do something like this in the future. But of course, I'm using the B7000 glue. If they have a stronger one, I think I would try to do the stronger one when applying the ostrich feathers, because this ended up coming right off in like one big strip, and I was so frustrated, like I forgot to record it, but I ended up using crazy glue, and the crazy glue, it was cool, it got the job done. The ostrich feather stayed on, but it wasn't elastic, and it ended up being really tight around my thighs. So next time I think I'm just going to sew it down. But the placement worked out really well. I love how I did the light skin feathers first, and then I did the lemon feathers. I had two different type of lemon feathers. I had long ones and I had short ones. I got them from Amazon. I'm going to go ahead and link them below. And yes, y'all, it turned out really cute. It's all about the dimensions for me. Like, it was all about the different universes. Like, this was definitely a canon event, and I'm definitely here for the multiverse of it all. So yeah, period. Okay, you guys, so it is really cute. I'm so in love with it. It turned out so cute. So of course the feathers can be like fluffed out to like go down a little bit, but this seam is kind of bothering me, so I'm going to unseam this, unseam these, and go ahead and just apply glue the feathers on, like on the seam, so it could just be a little bit more realistic looking. Alright, so yeah, that seam ripper did not work. I just went straight in with them scissors, cut it off, and used that glue. The glue was good for like gluing the feathers together, and this was like got real messy. So if you have any tips or tricks, let me know. Go ahead, comment. Let's interact. Subscribe for subscribe, follow for follow. I'm new to this app, so yeah, let's be friends. And yeah, as I was saying, this glue was good for the feathers, but I ended up using crazy glue to glue it onto the actual jean. Maybe it was just a jean, because I've seen other people glue it to different types of fabric, but I actually used jeans, so maybe it was the jean that actually wasn't taking the seam to the jean part. But yes, I'm just honestly stacking it on top of each other. It did turn out really cute, but I think it could turn out better. So I think I'm going to definitely do this again. Let me know in the comments what I should have done, what I could have done, what y'all want to see more. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. At the end of the day, it turned out cute, and I was really happy with my birthday outfit. So yeah, keep watching to see my birthday makeup. I did a little deleted scene at the end. So yes, thank you so much, stylists, for watching. I love y'all. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and all the little sites, and support, and let's be friends. Thank you. Hey you guys, so I just finished my makeup. I love it. I like it so much. I'm like, see with the ring light. So now I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed.